Hello boys and girls, welcome back to this channel. My name is Juhi Priya, your VARC expert, and today we are going to solve an actual cat odd one out question without wasting much time. Let's get started. What we have to do over here is there are 5 jumbled up sentences. They are related to each other, but we have to find sentence that is not related to the entire paragraph. So we will start reading from option 1, and it says that there is a dark side to academic research, especially in India. We have to mark this because it's talking about India. Maybe there is an option where it is also written India, or maybe it is written outside India, abroad, anything apart from India. So we are keeping this as a keyword, okay? Especially in India, and its center is the phenomena of predatory journals. Okay, the second line says, but in truth, as long as you pay, you can get anything published. Okay, I know this is not creating sense right now, but it will once we start analyzing. Okay, the third option says, in look and feel, thus they are exactly like any reputed journals. The fourth one says, they claim to be indexed in the most influential database, say they possesses editorial boards that comprise top scientists and researchers and claim to have a rigorous peer review structure. Okay, I hope you're getting what I am saying. I'll also leave the screen blank for you so that you can pause, solve it yourself, and then come back to the question again for the right answer. The fifth option says, but a large section of researchers and scientists across the world are at the receiving end of nothing sort of an academic publishing scam. What I was saying, that there may be a word which is written apart from India. Now, please pause it right now and try to solve this on your own, okay? And if you are not able to solve it, we also have our top educators who are doing the final countdown batch of CAT 2024. So please write my code JUHI99 and avail the maximum discount. Do it right now to avail any discount or offers that may be applicable on my code. Okay, the batch starts on 5th of October. The importance of this batch is that the entire syllabus would be revised according to the CAT pattern. So you need to join this batch right now. Please apply my code JUHI99 and avail these offers. Okay, also we have CAT 2024 last mock test that is going on at just this price, 3,999, where you will have expert curated books. You'll also get books out of it and comprehensive mock test that you can give again and again. Also, the mock test comes with 25 full length papers that you will be able to solve. Plus, it will also have a detailed test analysis at just 999 only. So please apply my code and avail this discount. And also, if you are giving mock test, please come on Academy platform where we are giving free all India mock test. So please give these mock tests and see where you stand right now, so that you are able to figure out that what will be your score and last percentile to aim any B school or any private school or any IIM that you are targeting for. The best thing is that this is curated as per the latest exam pattern, and it is curated by the expert of the industries. Okay, and all the best part is that it will happen on the dates of CAT examination, which will be at 8:30 a.m., 12:30 p.m. and 4:30 p.m. Okay, on 6th October, please mark this date, which is tomorrow. So please enroll now for free. Okay, I hope you understood this and you do not have to miss this, because this is a very good opportunity. Jumping back to the question, I hope you guys got your answers right. Now please stay with me so that you know that how did I solve this question and how can you actually get to the right answer. Okay, so there is a dark side to academic research, especially in India. What is saying that there is a dark side? The dark side is introduced over here. So academic research that is happening in India, and at its center is the phenomena of predatory journals. Okay, it is talking about predatory journals where the dark side is also introduced. So this may be the opening sentence. Okay, this may be the opening sentence because it is introducing about the dark side of academic journals in India. Okay, coming back to the second option. But in truth, as long as you pay, you can get anything published. Okay, I don't think this comes after this. So we will go, because it is written over here there. So maybe the other sentence could start from they, because I don't think it will just go back to the conclusion of this looks like a contradictory option. So we'll not jump to option 2, we'll not jump to option 3, we'll see that if option 4 suits us. They claim to be indexed in the most influential database, say they possesses as editorial boards. Okay, we came across editorial over here, boards that comprises of top scientists and researchers, and claim to have a rigorous peer review structure. Okay, this may be the next sentence after, but we are not understanding the sequence over here. We just need to see that which sentence does not fit the entire paragraph. Okay, but this fits over here because it is claiming of the indexed in the most influential database, says they possesses editorial, because we are talking about academic research and how the predatory journals are referred to. We will guess that, and we know that the keywords that says scientists, researchers and influential database and also editorial boards are linked together. So this is one of the sentence of the paragraph. Okay, so 1, 4 is in the paragraph and we know it. Okay, now let's go to the third option. In look and feel, thus they are exactly like any reputed journals. Okay, we see journals over here, we see journals over here, so we will write plus plus over here. That's the mapping formula that I taught you. So because the journal keyword is written over here, and I'm sure that option 3 looks very familiar to this statement, so this is also considered in the paragraph that we are looking for. Okay, now because I said that this looks like a contradictory option, we will read it. But in truth, as long as you pay, you can get anything published. Okay, I think these 3 sentences talk about the dark side, plus it also talks about how publishing happens in India and how the journals are made through the editorial portion. But in truth, as long as you pay, you can get anything published. Okay, so that doesn't suffice the meaning that if you're not paying, you don't get the exact copy of what you want to be published. But they are saying that on the other side, all these issues are happening, but if you pay a ransom amount, you can get published anything that you want. Okay, so I think these 4 options looks very familiar to each other. We'll go to the 5th option. But a large section of researchers and scientists across the world are at the receiving end of nothing sort of an academic publishing scam. Okay, this also looks like a contradictory sentence, so we are keeping this at the last. We moved through all the options 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we saw that how it is linked together and how it is in the paragraph. But this sentence is talking about the researchers and scientists across the world. What we were reading over here, we were reading about India. So all these 4 sentences are about India and how the publishing works in India. But this last sentence talks about the researchers and scientists of the world, the entire world. That's how this sentence is different from the other sentences that were given in the options. Okay, so that's how we see that this is all about keywords, how the keywords work, how they work, how they're interlinked, they are not interlinked. All this we have to memorize very very quickly and very cleverly, because if you read this sentence and if you do not figure out that this is talking about the world and the entire paragraph talks about India, you won't be able to make out that how this is not interlinked, because here are also the keywords of researchers, scientists that we saw across in these paragraphs. We would be confused. The exam setter will make us confused. He'll not give a very easy paragraph to solve, he'll give a tricky paragraph. But you, being a smart aspirant, how to map together all these and make an interlinked between all the paragraphs. Okay, I hope this was easy for you, and I hope that you have also solved this question. Please write down all the answers in the comment box so that I know that you are also practicing with me. Thank you so much for watching this session. Have a very good evening.